here. Okay, so here we are. We're one night closer to the end of the semester, or really end of the semester, end of fall two, end of this course. And you guys have been working really diligently on these last assignments. So so you're doing great. Continue to work hard. You're and I'm really impressed. So we have just a little while to go here. Keep your foot on the gas, as they say. So, and finish strong. So a couple of things, make sure that you're watching the Canvas gradebook, making sure that you know exactly where you stand. I have put in zeros for most everything, even if you're on task. I know at the end of the semester here, students are interested in, okay, where am I at if I don't hand this, that, or the other in? And you can take that approach. So so what I've done is I've kind of added zeros in there. So every time you add something back in, you'll notice that your grade is going to increase each time. So so that's pretty cool. And then what we have going on is next week, I'm still debating. I'll kind of see how this week goes. We may end on the machinist device assembly, because the other thing that we have is our chess piece. If you chose to do the extra credit, and you still can if you want to, I think we'll be 3D printing next week. So so I think that's what we're going to do, and then maybe an additional item if you want to. Okay, so so we'll kind of end up on something fun, but yet it'll be there'll be time for people to get done. So I'll solidify the plans on that and make sure that you have good direction by Thursday and knowing exactly how we're going to end things for the course and what'll be planned. So more to come on that. I also want to remind everybody, I guess that this has snuck up on me too. I want to make sure that everybody is signing up for your spring classes. So so I do have some classes that are full already that have a wait list. So that's very cool. But if you have been dragging your feet a little bit, just know that they are filling up. So so be sure, even the program classes. So be sure that you're taking a look out there and getting what you need. Okay. And if you have any questions on that, you certainly contact me. There's also Maria, who is our counselor, and then Steve Walter, who is our associate dean. So that if there are some courses that there is a wait list for, he's the person that that we can see if we can get him to open them up, depending on the situation. So so between the three of us, we can get you squared away. So so if you do have any questions, schedule wise, class wise, what's coming up, just let me know and I'll make sure that I point you in the right direction. Now, as we look at this week, you'll notice at the end of the week here, we've got assignment number 12, which is the vise assembly drawing. That's what we're going to be really looking at tonight. Number one, we're going to be focusing on getting that assembly created and getting the parts in place, and then looking at that assembly drawing itself. Okay, so there's quite a bit there yet. So I don't know that we're going to get both of those tasks done tonight, but we will start on getting that model going so that you have some good direction on that. All right, and applying what we've learned on the other two assembly models. And then additionally, the drill jig assembly is going to be due at the end of the week as well, which we've gone over a couple times and such. So so that's what we have on our calendar. I can't emphasize enough, make sure that you're watching your grade book and all that kind of stuff. Does anybody have any questions as we're looking at the calendar here? I've been working hard too, trying to keep up with the grading. I left last night. There was no assignments in, that I had them all back to you guys and graded. Today I had 16 assignments that were back in with corrections and stuff. So that's what I mean. You guys are working really hard, and I'm impressed with that. Keep going, and I don't mind doing that. But yeah, I'm trying to keep up with you guys. You're moving right along. So so with that, if there are no questions or anything, then I will I'll stop recording and we'll be back with assemblies.